It's the soul poured into every build, the heartbeat of these incredible rides. Meet the artisans, the dreamers, the driving force behind these vehicles. This is the Heart of the Machine.
North Coast Automotive Modelers, we've been a model car club since 1980. We build all different scales and sizes of plastic model kits. We even have some guys build die-cast models and slot cars in the club as well. My father, prior to me, was a member from back in the early 80s. And prior to his passing, was a member of the club and helped with the NNL Toledo Toy Show in Toledo, Ohio. And I, as a kid, started building from his influence. My father was my best friend, like my idol. That was the guy I emulated throughout life. And he was from a non-car oriented family, and he just had a passion for mechanics his entire life. So he took, as a kid, in the model cars, building the little ones all the way up into what he started tinkering with the real cars in his teens. So he kind of taught himself to spot everything he knew. And me coming up through the years, I loved that. I loved working with my hands, whether it's building models, building the real ones, doing art. My dad was an artist. He was all around hands-on guy. The guys in the club, I've known practically my entire life. It's like family. Same with the real cars. Some of these guys out here on the floor with their cars were my dad's friends since before I was born. So it's literally family. I love being able to sit down, talk ideas. We talk about life in between the cars. It's not always just about the cars. So the beauty of this, when the guy comes around with ideas or they built something, you can talk all day about an idea, or you can explain concepts, but seeing it physically come out of their mind into something physical form, you can kind of see their thoughts now. As a real car guy, I have my real full-size cars as well. I build and restore cars as well. This is a way to own anyone you could ever want. I mean, you think about that $100,000 Lambo all the way down to a 1910 Model T, you can own it. To devote yourself to it, to be honest, don't overstress it. Have fun with it. Let your ideas come out. If there's something you want to see come together, a car you've always loved, you want to see in a certain color, certain wheels on it, put it together. Go out and buy the model and put it together. These crazy detailed builds with all the little plug wires and stuff, don't let them intimidate you. The thing is everybody can build on their level to their skill set and enjoy doing it. That's the thing. Enjoy doing it. Don't take it too seriously. It's a hobby. Have fun with it.
The Heart of the Machine. This is a production of the Socially Good TV network.